Hi everybody, we are going to draw grapes today. Scrap some crayons on the paper. Now we are going to spread it using fingers and look at this beautiful drawing. It is almost ready. Add some details like this. Let's make a beautiful drawing using wax colors. Hold it like this and start drawing. We are making a cactus here using green color, and look, it is almost ready. Draw its spikes like this. We are also drawing flowers and then a flower pot like this using brown. It's ready. Let's draw an apple drawing. Let's make its leaves now and look at the pretty color. Now we are going to make the apple using crayon. We are using red crayon here, shade it like this, and look, it is ready. We are also using yellow color and then pink. We are making its leaves and look, it is ready. Let's draw something. We are printing fingers on the sheet of paper using different colors. Now trace lines around it. We are drawing a frog on first, then we are drawing a cat on second figure. Now we are drawing a ladybug on third number. On fourth we are drawing a fish and then a turtle, and finally a beautiful butterfly. This is a very unique and great way of learning numbers. Through paintings, we are drawing a bird on one number. On two, we are drawing a swan. On three number, we are drawing a monkey. On four, we are drawing a fish. And on five, we are drawing a penguin. And look how cute it is looking. On number six, we are drawing a snail. And on number seven, we are drawing a mouse. And finally, on number eight, we are drawing a teddy bear. And look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.